Hello students, today we are going to start new topic, new point, solar energy from satellite station. On an average, only 30% of solar energy reaches the Earth's surface and 70% out of 100 is lost in the atmosphere. Hence, if solar energy is collected outside the Earth's surface atmosphere, then it is available 100% and for 24 hours by means of geostationary satellite without influence of clarity index of the Earth's atmosphere. Means what? Space-based solar power is also known as just space solar power, which generate energy by placing geostationary satellite in the orbit. Geostationary satellite in the orbit. Just study by diagram. If this is Earth, this is geostationary satellite. This solar satellite microwave power point arrangement as shown in figure. This is arrangement of solar space energy. It consists geostationary satellite. This one is a geostationary satellite. It's revolving around outside the Earth atmosphere. Means like this in the orbit around the Earth atmosphere. On the satellite is mounted solar photovoltaic or solar thermal collector. These are solar thermal collector, which converts the solar collectors converts continuously available solar energy into electrical or we can say thermal energy. Means these solar collectors convert solar energy into electrical energy. This electrical or thermal energy can be stored on the unit present revolving satellite energy plant. But as the satellite is stationary, geostationary and rotates around the Earth around the clock, the sun is available all the time. Therefore, no storage unit is required. For this system, no storage unit is required. Why? Because solar energy is available 24 hours. This solar satellite power plant will be convert electrical or thermal energy generated from photovoltaic system or solar collectors respectively to the microwave. Because microwaves being long wavelength are which are not absorbed in the Earth's atmosphere and can reach this microwave can reach Earth's surface easily. So there is transmitting antenna. This one is a transmitting antenna on the solar satellite power plant reach the Earth station without much observation in the atmosphere. Now there is a receiving antenna at the Earth station power plant which receives microwaves, these microwaves, and convert back to electrical or thermal energy by converters. Thus, solar energy receives in full amount and continuous way on the Earth without any loss. Means, by using this system, we can use or produce large amount of electrical energy or thermal energy by using solar satellite station.